Take a journey back in time. Imagine an apprentice in ancient Egypt during the summer flooding of the Nile. Who is this apprentice? Where are they apprenticing? How old are they? How do they feel about their job? Consider their fears, strengths, weaknesses, and relationships with other apprentices. Visualize ancient Egypt during the Nile flood. Paint a vivid picture for your readers. Sights, sounds, and smells. How does the flood impact daily life and the different societal classes? Add some action. What challenges does your character face due to the flood? How does this create tension? Maybe the flood triggers unexpected events that push your character to make tough decisions. In historical fiction, accuracy is key. What are the beliefs, customs, traditions during ancient Egypt's flood season? How does the Nile influence the economy, religion, and daily life? What tools were used to manage the flooding? Figure out your story arc. What's the climax? How does your character evolve? What lessons do they learn? And how does this connect to their overall journey? That's it, writers. Until next time, happy writing.